Assalamu alaikum. Today we will know about how to connect Android phone to PC. So let's do a start. First of all, we will know this laptop Wi-Fi and phone Wi-Fi should be same. I will go in Windows, then click on setting. Here showing system. I will click on that. Here coming projecting to this PC. I will click on that. Here coming three option. I will select available everywhere. Here coming two option, I will select first time only. Here coming three option, I will select never. I swipe down my phone and here showing a smart view. I will click on that. Here showing my laptop name. I will click on that. See here coming two option, cancel and start now. I will click on start now. You can see my laptop is connecting. Now it's connected. See. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.